Do not rent any apartment before you watch this video. Having your own space without the usual stress of renting in Japan. If you ever try to rent in Japan, you know how complicated it can be. Key money, deposit, guarantors, piles of paperwork in Japanese. Oak House makes it way simpler. You don't need a Japanese guarantor. The contracts are available in English and can be finished online. And the moving cost is much more lower than a normal apartment. So whatever you're a student, working professional, or digital nomad, this is kind of the setup saves you both money and headaches. Now let's talk about the neighborhood Ikebukuro. It's the one of Tokyo's biggest and the most convenient hubs. You can reach Shinjuku or Shibuya in under 15 minutes. And there are endless restaurants, shops, and a 24-hour convenience store nearby. The area is safe, energetic, and full of life. It's the perfect mix for convenience and comfort for anyone new to Tokyo. Out of energetic area, we are walking through the quiet residential area to Oak House new private apartment in Ikebukuro. And we are here, Comfort Ikebukuro. This building also has a secured entry. You will need a key to open it. The building itself is a bit old, but with the great location, it will be occupied in no time. Today, we're going to look the room on the top floor. Just because it's an apartment, you have your own washing machine, toilet, and kitchen. Plenty of storage space in the room, no need to worry about how to store your stuff away. The room comes with fully furnished with microwave, fridge, a bed, desk, chair, storage, and air condition, also Wi-Fi. Everything you need from day one. The next room is another design but with same facilities. But this one is very spacious. You can have more furniture when life gets settled. The rent is around 130k per month and the utility fee is 22k per month. You can pay both together through the Oak House website. So there's no need to go to convenience store each time. They save you a lot of time. Let's talk about what's around this apartment. Ryukyu University is just a 10 minutes walk away, and a Japanese hot spring and FamiMart are only 3 minutes walk. It's a great spot to hang out right after a warm bath. You will find two grocery stores, Topu Store and Aeon, on the way back to the apartment from Ikebukuro Station. Both of them just about 5 minutes walk away. There's also a Koi Laundry just 5 minutes walk away. It's actually really nice, more like a lounge where you can hang out and chat with strangers. So, if you're thinking about moving to Tokyo, don't sign a lease before you check out this new Oak House apartment in Ikebukuro. It's easy to rent and foreigner-friendly, exactly what you need for a smooth start in Japan. Links in the description, and don't forget to follow for more for share houses and apartment tours and living tips. See you next time!